Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'll be showing you guys how to make a pastry roast with raw hams. These are the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe. I have right here is puff pastry. Here I have the raw hams right here. Here I have some grounded cheese here that I will be using as well. Okay guys, stay tuned and watch me how I prepare my puff pastry roast with raw hams. This is the puff pastry right here, as you can see guys. Okay, I'll be using this. Just drop this aside. This is what I will be using guys. Okay, as you can see, now I have the raw hams right here. Okay, what I will do now is just to take a fillet of it, slice of it. Okay, I'll just place it right in here this way. Take the plastic off. Place it this way. Okay, like this. If you still have some space, or if you can adjust it a little bit to have more space, just adjust it a little. Okay, all right. So I will be adding this as well. Okay, now I'll be adding some cheese. Just add some cheese as much as you want. Okay. Okay guys, this is how it works. And now I will be doing some rolling. I will just try to roll it this way. Okay. Rolling this way guys. Okay, can you see that? Because it's very soft on the tray that we'll be using. Okay, just place this on the tray right here. Now you will on your oven at 180 degrees to hot. Now we're going to be slicing it. Okay, we just finished rolling it right now. You have to slice the quantity that you want. Okay. Slicing it this way. You can see. Just this way, continue slicing it. Just cut it on step by step. Okay, now we are done. The train is right here. Okay, this, as you can see, just cut it. So you place it right here. You can see that. Just place it right here. Now the oven is hot, so after arranging it, placing it in the tray, just put it on the oven. Okay. Put it on the oven for 20 minutes. Okay guys, for 20 minutes. Okay guys, you can see, look at the color I just bring out from the oven. Look at it very well. Look at how crochet it is. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, you can eat this at the beginning of your eating. Okay, just to move them out before the main food is being served. This is very yummy. If you have kids, it's very good for kids, also good for party. Okay, just give your guests this and let them be eating this after the meal is being prepared. You can see it guys, check it out. You can see how yummy it is. Okay, can you see it guys? If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. You see inside, it's very perfect. Can you see it? Very perfect guys. Very yummy. Guys, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share my video. Okay, thanks. Next time.